the shadows it rises, stained with the past.
History is witness that wars are not always fought on borders. Sometimes, within 90 minutes, a small ball changes the entire map of the world. A game that has stopped wars, a passion that has taken the lives of players, and an empire where a contract written on a napkin changed the destiny of billions. Today, we will open those 100 pages of FIFA and football that were kept hidden from the world. Stories ranging from the death of an entire team due to lightning to becoming the football king inside a jail. Stories that you have never seen in any documentary till date. Get ready to embark on a journey of football's dark side and golden era, which has turned it into the world's biggest religion. If you consider yourself a true football fan, then listening to fact number 51 and 84, the ground will slip from under your feet. I am your host, and you are watching the biggest football explosion in history. Let's start. 100 amazing facts about FIFA football.
Fact number 1. The tragic own goal. In the 1994 World Cup, Colombian player Andrés Escobar accidentally scored an own goal against his own team. This single mistake led to Colombia's elimination from the tournament. When he returned home, he was shot and killed by a crazed fan. It's reported that the attacker shouted "goal" with every shot he fired. Did you know? This is considered the darkest day in football history. Escobar was known as the gentleman of the field, and over 120,000 people flooded the streets for his final farewell. Fact number 2. Messi's first contract. When Lionel Messi was just 13 years old, Barcelona director Carlos Rexach was so impressed by his talent that, despite not having official paperwork on hand, he grabbed a napkin from a nearby restaurant and signed Messi's first contract right then and there. Did you know? Today, that napkin is one of the most expensive pieces of sports memorabilia in the world, kept safe behind bulletproof glass. Fact number 3. The player who stopped a war. In 1967, when the legendary Pelé went to Nigeria to play an exhibition match, the ongoing civil war was halted for 48 hours. Both sides laid down their arms just so they could watch Pelé play. It remains the greatest proof of the power of sports. Did you know? Pelé is the only player in the world to have won 3 World Cups. There's a reason he's called the king of football. Fact number 4. The embarrassing 149-0 record. In 2002, during a league match in Madagascar, one team, SO Lemierre, scored 149 goals against themselves. It was the highest score in history. They were actually protesting unfair refereeing decisions from a previous match and began scoring in their own net as soon as the whistle blew. Did you know? After the match, FIFA and the National Association banned the team's coach and several players for a long period of time. Fact number 5. The stolen World Cup trophy. Just before the 1966 World Cup in England, the Jules Rimet trophy was stolen. Scotland Yard and the police failed to find it, and it became a global embarrassment. But then a dog named Pickles found it wrapped in newspaper, hidden in a garden hedge. Did you know? Pickles became a national hero overnight and was named Dog of the Year. He was even invited to the celebration banquet after the final match. Fact number 6. The truth behind the hand of God. In the 1986 World Cup, Diego Maradona scored a goal against England using his hand. The referee thought the ball hit his head. After the match, when asked about it, Maradona said, "A little with the head of Maradona and a little with the hand of God." This one goal brought a long-standing political rivalry onto the pitch. Did you know? In that same match, Maradona scored a second goal known as the goal of the century, where he dribbled past 6 English players alone. In one game, he showed both the ugliest and most beautiful sides of football. Fact number 7. Football on the battlefield. During World War I in 1914, on Christmas Day, German and British soldiers emerged from their trenches for an unofficial ceasefire. They chose football over bullets and played a match in no man's land. For a few hours, the hatred vanished. Did you know? Historians say the German soldiers won that match 3-2, but the real victory was for humanity. Fact number 8. The secret protector of the World Cup. During World War II, FIFA Vice President Dr. Ottorino Barassi hid the original gold trophy in a shoebox under his bed to protect it from the Nazis. Nazi soldiers even searched his house, but they never thought to check the shoebox. Did you know? If Barassi hadn't taken that risk, the greatest symbol of football might have been melted down in Hitler's vault. Fact number 9. Soccer in space. In 2018, Russian cosmonauts sent a football to the International Space Station. A match was played in zero gravity high above the Earth. That same ball was later brought back and used in the opening match of the 2018 World Cup. Did you know? This was the first time an official match ball had ever orbited the Earth. Fact number 10. Ronaldo's superhuman leap. Ronaldo's jumping ability is higher than the average NBA basketball player. According to research, Ronaldo generates 5G of force, 5 times the force of gravity, which is equivalent to the leap of a cheetah. He can reach a height of 2.93 meters in the air. Did you know? Thanks to this incredible leap, he holds the record for the most headed goals in football history.
Fact number 11. The strange case of the first World Cup ball. In the 1930 World Cup final, a huge argument broke out between Argentina and Uruguay over whose ball should be used. Eventually, they settled on a compromise, Argentina's ball for the first half and Uruguay's for the second. Argentina was leading 2-1 at halftime, but once the ball changed in the second half, Uruguay flipped the script and won 4-2. Did you know? Today, FIFA provides an official match ball for every single game, but back then, players believed their luck was literally stitched into their own footballs. Fact number 12. Where did red and yellow cards come from? Before 1970, there were no cards in football. Referees had to verbally tell a player to leave the pitch, which caused massive language barriers. A referee named Ken Aston actually got the idea for cards while sitting at a traffic light. Red meant stop, you're out, and yellow meant caution. Did you know? The funny thing is, even though cards were introduced at the 1970 World Cup, not a single player was actually shown a red card during the entire tournament. Fact number 13. The highest scoring match ever. The record for the biggest win in international football history belongs to Australia. In a 2001 World Cup qualifier, Australia absolutely crushed American Samoa 31-0. Archie Thompson alone scored 13 goals in that single match. Did you know? After this landslide, FIFA actually changed the qualifying rules to prevent such massive skill gaps between teams in the early rounds. Fact number 14. The most chaotic red card match. The 2006 World Cup match between Portugal and the Netherlands is famously known as the Battle of Nuremberg. Russian referee Valentin Ivanov handed out a record-breaking 16 yellow cards and 4 red cards. The pitch looked less like a football field and more like a battlefield. Did you know? After the game, the FIFA president joked that the referee should have given himself a yellow card for losing control of the match. Fact number 15. Greenland, the country FIFA can't accept. Football is incredibly popular in Greenland, yet they've never been able to join FIFA. The reason isn't political, it's the weather. FIFA rules state that international matches must be played on natural grass, but in Greenland's freezing climate, growing grass is impossible. They only have artificial turf or dirt pitches. Did you know? While FIFA now allows turf, the travel distance and lack of infrastructure are still huge hurdles. Their football season only lasts 3 months because the rest of the year everything is buried under snow. Fact number 16. The miracle of Iceland. In 2018, Iceland became the smallest nation in history to qualify for a World Cup. Their entire population was just 330,000, about the size of a small U.S. city. Even their coach at the time was a part-time dentist. Did you know their iconic thunderclap celebration won hearts globally? And in their very first match, they managed to hold a giant like Argentina to a draw. Fact number 17, the goal machine goalkeeper. Brazilian goalkeeper Rogério Ceni scored a staggering 131 goals in his career. Usually, a keeper's job is to stop goals, but Ceni was an expert at free kicks and penalties. He actually scored more goals than many professional strikers. Did you know he played over 1,200 matches for just one club, Sao Paulo, which is a world record in itself? Fact number 18, Vatican City's very own team. Vatican City, the smallest country in the world and home to the Pope, has its own football team. The squad is mostly made up of Swiss guards, museum workers, and gardeners. They don't even have a home stadium, so they use nearby pitches in Italy. Did you know Vatican City isn't a FIFA member because they can't always be available like a professional team? For them, it's all about spreading a message of brotherhood and peace. Fact number 19, why India didn't play the World Cup. It's a common myth that India pulled out of the 1950 World Cup because FIFA wouldn't let them play barefoot. That's only half the story. FIFA had already banned barefoot play after the 1948 Olympics, and India knew this. The real reasons were lack of funds, team selection issues, and the fact that they valued the Olympics more than the World Cup at the time. Did you know, if India had played that year, the future of Indian football might have been totally different? Back then, the Indian team was actually nicknamed the Brazil of Asia. Fact number 20, the fastest goal ever. The record for the fastest goal in World Cup history belongs to Turkey's Hakan Şükür. In the 2002 World Cup against South Korea, he found the back of the net just 10.8 seconds after kickoff. Fans hadn't even settled into their seats yet. Did you know this record still stands today? In modern football, where defenses are rock solid, scoring under 11 seconds feels almost impossible.
Fact 21. The superstition of the blue jersey. In the 1950 World Cup final, Brazil lost to Uruguay while wearing their white jersey. That defeat was considered so unlucky that Brazil permanently abandoned their white jersey and adopted the yellow-blue jersey. Today, this Canarinho jersey is the identity of Brazil. Did you know? Since then, Brazil has never worn their classic white jersey in the final of any major tournament. Fact 22. The oldest player. In the 2018 World Cup, Egypt's goalkeeper, Essam El Hadari, played against Saudi Arabia at the age of 45 years and 161 days. He not only played the match, but also saved a penalty. He became the oldest player in World Cup history. Did you know? Interestingly, his own daughter's fiancé was also playing professional football at that time. His fitness inspired the youth of the entire world. Fact 23. The world's oldest club. England's Sheffield Football Club is the world's oldest football club, founded in 1857. This club existed even before the start of professional football leagues. The special thing is that it is still active today, although it now plays in the lower leagues. Did you know? FIFA has honored this club with the Order of Merit, which has been given to only 2 clubs in the world, the other being Real Madrid. Fact 24. The world's largest stadium. When talking about FIFA's largest stadium, people take the names of Camp Nou or Wembley, but the world's largest football stadium is in North Korea. There has been a lot of controversy regarding its capacity. Earlier, North Korea used to claim it as 150,000, but according to new data, its actual capacity is approximately 114,000. But the thing to note here is that the world's largest stadium now is Narendra Modi Stadium, Ahmedabad, with a capacity of 132,000. However, Rangarado is still considered the world's largest football stadium if we exclude cricket, so you should call it the largest football stadium. Did you know? Although football matches are rare here and government parades are more common, this is the largest ground recognized by FIFA. Fact 25. Wearing shoes was banned. In the early football matches of the 19th century, wearing shoes was not mandatory. But when the game became violent, FIFA made a rule. Old football boots had iron cleats or studs in the front which could break the opponent player's bones. Today's boots are made of synthetic fiber and carbon so that they remain as light as air. Did you know? The weight of modern football boots is only between 100 and 150 grams, which increases the player's running speed by 5 to 10%.